Hey y'all, welcome back to Jaxx Drinkwater Southern Cooking and Barbecue. Today we're gonna be serving up savory, creamy, buttery, comfort food in a bowl, cream chicken over Southern biscuits. Let's get going. First thing we need to do is get your oven going and get them biscuits in. Whether you're making homemade biscuits from scratch like we did, you wanna go check out that video here for my Mile High biscuits. It's a great recipe. You can use Womp biscuits, you can use frozen biscuits, any kind of biscuits you want. But today we're just gonna be focusing on that creamy chicken. We're gonna be using this beautiful Dalstrong knife, the Valhalla series. So beautiful. If you wanna pick up one of these or any other Dalstrong knife, I'll leave a link below. You can get 10% off this. These are some great knives. These jokers are sharp right out of the box and they hold an edge very well. I've been using these for about 3 years now and I can't complain. They have replaced my regular Shun knives. Can't say enough about them. Half a stick of butter. Now we'll go in with our onion. Smelling good. Wait till y'all see how easy this is. So we're just sauteing these onions up until they get translucent and just starting to brown. I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of flour here, and I'm doing this little by little because I don't want it to clump up. But see how it is, as you can't see it, I'm gonna add a little bit more flour, stir that in. Yep, see how it's looking right there? We'll add a little bit more. All right, we'll just add the rest of it, okay. So we incorporated that 1/4 cup about 3 different times there. All right, I'm liking the look. Now what you want to do is you want to throw in your seasonings now. And I just eyeball this, and I'm gonna go in with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. Whoa, that pepper likes to come out of this jar quick. A little bit of garlic powder. And of course you can't forget the cayenne pepper. Now that is optional. And last but not least, some paprika. Just a smidgen of that because we don't want to discolor this too bad, right? Okay, so now we're going to go in with our chicken stock. And I'm using about a cup of chicken stock. Okay, we're just going to incorporate this up nice. Get it all broke up, make sure there's no lumps in there. We're going in with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. You could use half and half or milk. I find this makes it a little bit more rich, luscious, and flavorful. All right, stir that about. I have my heat cut off right now, but as soon as I get all this incorporated in, I'm gonna turn it back on. Now, if you were doing this on the stove, you probably wouldn't have to do this, but this contraption that I'm cooking on today, it cooks. It's really hard to adjust that flame. All right, we got no lumps there. Adjust your seasonings, give it a taste. Let's give it a taste. Now I'm sticking this back in there, but keep in mind it's just me and my wife. No one else is gonna be eating this. So if I was serving people, I wouldn't be licking off this spoon and putting it right back in there. But we're good on the salt, we're good on the pepper. Now it's time to add in our peas. And that is about a 1/2 cup of frozen peas that we have there. This is 3 cups of chicken. Now it's a rotisserie chicken that I got, and what we do is we get rotisserie chickens in bulk. You know, we'll get 3 or 4 of them, and then we'll pull them apart, or my wife actually pulls them apart, and then she freeze dries them, and then we rehydrate them. So that's what we've done here today. Folks, this is gonna be so delicious. Getting a little bit too thick for me, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of milk to this, just to thin it out just a bit. All right, this is done. I think our biscuits are ready. Let's go inside and give this a sample, shall we? Look at the goodness. All right, let's put this together. All right, I'm going in. I've been taking a little bit of pictures, so it's a little jacked up here. All right. I know that's like every video you see when somebody samples anything, it looks like they're just dying, but I literally am dying. You guys gotta make this. And I know you're probably hearing all of this smacking because my microphone's right there and that biscuit is so moist, it's sticking to the roof of my mouth. I love it. And it's my dog smacking. All right, guys, creamed chicken over biscuits. Do it.